Namaste everyone. Do you know what is Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya famous for? It is famous for the fact that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment while meditating under this tree. And one of Lord Buddha's mudras is Dhyana Mudra. We'll understand about this mudra today. Dhyana means meditation, and Dhyana is also the seventh of the 8 limbs of yoga. So practicing this mudra can improve the quality of your sleep. It renews emotional energy and thus leads to emotional healing. It helps develop self-awareness and is a good mudra if you want to start your practice of meditation and concentration. And now I'll show you the correct way to observe this mudra and practice this mudra. So assume any meditative posture. You can be in Vajrasana, you can be in Padmasana, or any meditative posture of your choice. I have observed Sukhasana, simple cross-legged posture. And then regarding the hand gesture, place your right palm over your left palm and join the tip of your thumbs. Make sure that right palm is over left and left is not over right. So right palm over the left, and you place this hand seal on your lap, close your eyes and focus within, focus on the breath. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.